In this video, I will show you how to change country on Spotify. So let's get started. It is not possible to change Spotify country using mobile app. You can do it using Spotify website. First, open any web browser and go to accounts.spotify.com. Just log into your Spotify account. Now tap on Account Overview. Next, tap Edit Profile. Now scroll down and you will find a drop down country or region. The country or region of your Spotify account is based on where you were when you signed up to Spotify. Using this drop down, you can change your Spotify country. Note that the new country or region only shows in this drop down when you are actually present in that country. If you want to change your country or region, you need to update your payment method, meaning you need to enter the new payment method that was issued in your new country or region. So that is how you can change country on Spotify. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.